Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello guys, I wish if you are well. Today we have some notes about adding and subtracting decimals. First, I'd like to memorize you what are decimal number. Decimal number is just a fraction which denominator 10, 1,000 or 100, 1,000, 10,000 and so on. For example, if you have 7 out of 10, we can read as 7/10 because we have 10 in denominator. How can we write this using decimal point? Just put your numerator, which is 7, and count from right how many places. One place because we have 1 0 at denominator. So one place, so it will be 7, and here there is no whole number, so I have to put 0. So it will be 0.7, which we read it as 7/10, the same. Another example, if we have 25 divided by 10, by the same way, we will put numerator 25, then count one place because we have 1 0 from right, so it will be 2.5 or 2 and 5/10. We read it as this form, 2 and 5/10. If we have 37 divided by 100, so we write 37 and count two places, so 1 2, put the decimal point here. We don't have whole number, so we'll put 0, and this is called 37 hundredths. 37 hundredths. Okay, today our lesson about adding and subtracting decimals. We have some examples. First, this form that you can see, it's called vertical form, and also we have down this form, we call it horizontal form. Okay, for vertical form it's easier to solve. Just put the points under each other, put the point down, and then now 2 plus 4 as regular way equal what? Equal 6. And 4 plus 2 equals 6. 3 plus 8 equals 11. 1 and carry up 1 here. So it will be 5 plus 7 equals 12. So the answer now is 121 and 66 hundredths, or you can read as 121.66. Second one, 88 12 hundredths minus 51/44. Here, as we said, neglecting the decimal point, it will be like any problem you can solve in adding and subtraction. 2 minus 4 cannot be, so I will borrow from here. It will be 0, and here it will be 12. 12 minus 4 equals 8, and now 0 minus 4 cannot be, so I will borrow from here. It will be 7, and here it will be 10. 10 minus 4 equals 6. And here 7 minus 1 equals 5, and 8 minus 5 equals 3. So the answer will be 35.68. Next, if we have in horizontal form, we can rewrite it in vertical form, like 3.2 plus 34.45. Here we have to complete the empty places by putting zeros. Here we have to put 0 because what? Here we have 2 decimal places, here we have 1 decimal place, so we have to make them 2 decimal places, and they are exactly equal, and I will prove it for you now. Now let us add 0 plus 5 equals 5, 2 plus 4 equals 6, and point down, 3 plus 4 equals 7, and 3 down, so the answer is 37.65. How can I know that 0.2 exactly equals 0.20? We want to prove this. 0.2 is just 2/10, 2 out of 10, and we know that the rule, we can multiply both of numerator and denominator by the same number. We can multiply or divide both of numerator and denominator by the same number. What about if we multiply here by 10 and multiply here by 10? Nothing will be changed. So it will be 20 out of 100. And 20 out of 100, according to our rule how to write it, we will write numerator 20 and then count two decimal places, 1, 2, putting the point, and here we don't have any whole number, so we put 0, so it will be 0.20. So our start was 0.2 and our end was 0.20, which are equal. Okay, let us move to second one. We have 8 minus 2.34. As you can notice, 8 here is a whole number, just a whole number without decimal part. So what shall we do? We have to put decimal part. We can rewrite 8 as 8.0 or 8.00 and so on. But here we have just two decimal points, two decimal places in second one, so I will use 8 as 8.00 minus 2.34. Now I cannot subtract across zeros, so I will pull from here. It will be 7, and here it will be 9, here it will be 10, instead of writing 10 and 9 again. 10 minus 4 equals what? Equals 6. 9 minus 3 equals 6. And 7 minus 2 equals 5. So the result will be 5.66. Next one, 34.765 plus 4.6. Just put it in vertical form. 34.765 plus 4.6. Let us complete the empty places by zeros. Now we can add 5 plus 0 equals 5, 6 plus 0 equals 6, 7 plus 6 equals 13, 3, and carry up 1 here. It will be 5 plus 4 equals 9, and we have 3 down. So it will be 39.365. Next one, 27.8 minus 12.124. 27.8 and point under each other, 125 here and here 12. What shall I do? First step is to fill empty places by zeros. 0 minus 5 cannot be, so I will put from here it's 7, here 9, here 10. Now 10 minus 5 equals 5, 9 minus 2 equals 7, 7 minus 1 equals 6, and 7 minus 2 equals 5, and 2 minus 1 equals 1. So it will be 15 as one number and 0.675 decimal part. Next one, simple one, 4.5 minus 0.2, 5 minus 2 equals 3 and point down, and 4 minus 0 equals 4, so it will be 4.3. Best wishes, guys. I hope you understand. If you have any question, please leave a comment and I will see. Thanks and best wishes for you all.